Here we go!
We made it! It's so cold! Oh my gosh! I'm getting wet!
Hey guys! We are extremely excited for this vlog because it's gonna be our first ever outdoor vlog since the pandemic started.
Today we are going to Golden Ears Provincial Park to do a small trail. Get down! Oh my gosh!
But first, we are gonna go grab some food because we are gonna be burning a lot of calories today. Might as well bring some snacks, right?
We are also happy to report that we are no longer using disposable masks. We have reusable masks. We got the goods. I think we ordered 2 min.
We ordered about 4 or 5 wraps and sandwiches just so we have something when we get up there and we wanted to take a break. And I think just Subway just makes it easier to carry, right?
Plus it's lunchtime. I'm hungry.
We're here!
We are just walking at the side of the road right now.
Because we wanted to take some snaps, some pictures at the beginning of the provincial park. Here it is, guys! The official starting point of the Golden Ears Provincial Park.
We found the golden ears.
The reason why we wanted to take a few pictures is because I think this is the first time that we've been to a provincial park in BC.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think we've ever done that.
First one.
First one. Since we couldn't park here earlier just to take some few pictures, we have to walk all the way over there. Of course, we can't go on any trail without the bug sprays.
Don't like bugs. Throw away bugs. Can I put this in my face?
I got some in my eye.
Ready?
All set. We started seeing some cars parked at the edge of the road, so we just assumed that's the parking spots. We're walking towards the start of the trail now.
Are we going to walk here? We're in the middle of the bridge.
This bridge is so cool.
It's so nice.
I think this is where we're gonna be starting. Lower Falls Trail.
Let's start.
You know what time is it? We should time ourselves. It's currently 1:51. Let's go. One thing I wish is there was a map of the trail, because I'm not too sure how long this is and where are we going.
Speaking of map, I can see one right there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, here's the map. Seems that we're over here.
It says Lower Falls.
Oh, Lower Falls Trail. Okay, up to here.
And that's it.
Then we just come back. That seems to be 2.7 kilometers one way up to here, and coming back that's around 5 kilometers. 1 hour each way. Can we do it?
Yes! It doesn't seem hard. So tired. How long have we been walking?
Not even 10 minutes.
Oh.
We are filming this vlog during Father's Day, and we've seen a few families going on hikes and stuff. A little bit busier than usual, but not too much because there's still a pandemic, right? Happy Father's Day to my dad.
And happy Father's Day to my papa back home in the Philippines.
And all to the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. Well, when we release this vlog, it might be too late.
Oh.
It's already belated Happy Father's Day.
I made it!
Behind the scenes of every picture.
Get down!
We have to mention that this Gold Creek Falls Trail is considered as easy, so it's perfect for like beginner hikers like us. There's not much elevation gain, but there's a lot of forestry and a lot of scenery. We decided to ditch the face mask for now because really there's not much people here. It's not very crowded. And plus, we don't know how long we can go with a piece of cloth blocking our airways.
We might faint somewhere here.
We're fully covered for like bugs and stuff, but it didn't occur to us if there's any wildlife around. We don't have any bear sprays.
I have a weapon to hit the bears. Maybe we can throw our snacks at them and run away.
Along the trail, there's some nice resting spots by the water. It's freezing cold. Where you could just sit around, you know, enjoy the breeze, the water, the scenery.
And the mountains.
Do you guys remember that subway?
So let's bring out the sandwiches.
Okay, so I think we've taken enough footages from that resting point. Time to move on to the trail again. Be careful. Oh. How do we get over there?
I think you have to swim.
Surely, if you're gonna take this trail, you're gonna take more than 2 hours because you're gonna stop over to take pictures.
Mm-hmm.
That's a gigantic piece of tree.
I thought there's a spider on top.
It seems like there's like new life forms just coming out of the top of the tree, right? Even if we try, we can't like hug the tree.
I can measure it.
By how?
So big!
I feel like we're getting close because I can hear some rumbling sounds, maybe coming from the waterfall.
Oh, is that the lower falls?
Yeah, probably. I think I see it. You see the mist? There's some mist around the place, right?
We are now packing the camera inside bag because saw some mist. It might get wet.
Yeah, it's not safe for the camera. We are gonna be using DJI though. Here we go!
We made it! It's so cold! Oh my gosh! I'm getting wet! So cold! Blowing in front of my face!
We are getting soaked.
I feel refreshed.
That was awesome, right?
That was so refreshing.
Also, it is already 3:30 right now. How long has it been?
Time did it start? 1:50.
Yeah, about an hour and a half ago.
Because we took a lot of photos along the way.
Yeah, a lot of pictures. But it was so refreshing. Once you get into the hike, you're gonna sweat a lot. And once you reach the waterfalls, there's some fresh mist coming from the mountains because of the waterfalls, right? It's so refreshing. It's so great. We are now heading back, but it'll roughly take us about an hour now, which is less time that we were coming here, because we're not gonna take pictures this time, or we're not.
We'll see.
We'll see. this Gold Creek Falls trail might be for you if you guys wanted to see some forestry, some green moss trees, definitely some waters too. There's some creekside and definitely some mountains and a waterfall at the end. One thing we want to mention is if you're gonna come here, make sure to follow the rules. That means proper disposal, no smoking, and all that stuff. Because definitely along the way, we found a couple of people that were smoking. It's just not a good thing to do here. As we near towards the end, we are gonna let you guys go, but make sure to come back because
we are going to do a lot of fun things, so stay tuned for that. If you guys are new here, we'd love to keep you around. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you in our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye! It's freezing cold.